Be blessed by the divine. Everyone wants a guru, but we don't consciously think of the guru. When the student is ready, the teacher appears. Why? How does this magic really happen? How do we realize at some point of time that a perfect guru has identified us? How does this magic really manifest in reality? Let me tell you the example in my own life. I was studying in my college. I was around 20 years of age at that time. My Sanchita karma, what I have inherited from my parents, led my life for the first 12 years of my life. I just went with the flow. Whatever the karma that I had inherited, those karmic actions were governing my actions. After I turned around 12 years, my mind was not focused on religion or spiritualism. Whose mind gets into religion and religious and then spiritual life at that time? Everybody is wondering about movies and drama and theater and music and sports and all kinds of friends and enjoying their life. I too was like that. But then at around 20 years of age, there was a circumstance which forced me to search for a guru, and within a day I discovered our guru Yogiraj Sri Vedatri Maharishi and his Manavalakalai Yoga, Sky Yoga, the simplified Kundalini Yoga system. I got my Kundalini awakened with the simple touch of a divine master under the Vedatri Sky Yoga system. I look back and ask myself, 39 years of my experience with our Guru Yogiraj Sri Vedatri Maharishi had turned out to be a fantastic gift in my life. I have grown from strength to strength in my life. My mind has become calmer and calmer in the years of practice. I have now become a teacher, a master, and I have helped hundreds and thousands of people awaken their Kundalini. And I ask myself, how did I achieve all of this? Was it my karma? Was it my decision? Was it my willpower? Was it my own ambition? No, never. At the age of 20, I was smoking, I was drinking, I was going to movies, I was attacking the exam hall like Ghazini Muhammad, attacking 13 times in every semester and failing so many times. It was my parents' karma, their parents' karma, forefathers' karma, inherited karma that was still driving me. So it is the punya, the good imprints, the blessing of my parents, their tapas, their religious or spiritual practices, their good karma that attracted the right guru at the right time, which reformed me to become who I am today. And you too will have such a guru. If you have already found such a guru, especially the guru of ourselves, Yogiraj Sri Vedatri Maharishi, remember this, that it is your parents' karma. It is the gift of their spiritual and their wisdom, their good actions that have brought our guru to your side, helping you, guiding you, supporting you day and night at all times, in all places, and in all your duties. Do me a small favor, will you? Call your mother, call your father if they are alive, and tell them, thank you very much. If they are not, close your eyes, meditate upon them, and tell them, thank you very much for giving me the wonderful gift of Guru guiding me today. Good luck, be blessed. Varga.